Alright guys, I'm here with another layout. My background is Basil cardstock, which is usually my go-to, unless there is a pattern, paper in the kit, pattern paper in the kit that looks like mixed media type pattern. Oh, my tape is all out, so of course it's popular among cats. And that is why he is there. And I'm like, oh, no, you're not. Not going for my new. And of course, Patton's there to check it out too. So now they're in my way. And then I stop so I can clear them away. And the word pattern is Paintbrush Studios Noteworthy, called that Positive Mindset. And the yellow pattern circle is Paintbrush Studio Noteworthy. The green pattern is Pink Paisley's Paige Evans, Bloom Street, number 12. The bicycle pattern is Paintbrush Studio Noteworthy as well. And of course, Patton is back. And decides to call my layout home. It's like, really? And lick himself. Oh, you two. I think I need to put cats on a diet. My goodness. Alright, so that fishtail border that I'm putting there is left over from the layout I did where I cut them apart. That when I trimmed it, that was a piece that was trimmed from the pattern, and I was like, hey. And then I got glue too far down, and when I tried to smudge the glue away, it took away some of the paper, so I'm going to cover it anyway, so I'm not that worried about it. And oh, Patton, really? And the tags I cut from, I just had a scrap and knife from a past kit, and January kit, I believe, and I cut it in half. It was a strip, and I just cut it in half and punched a hole in it to make a tag out of it. And I put that one at the top left, and then one behind the circle. Oh my gosh, Patton, you're a pain. He wanted out, and then he wanted in. Now he wants out. He's a pain, isn't he? Alright, then go. Go, go, go. Here, you want a paper ball? Paper balls are stuck back there. Alrighty, so the tags and photo mats, of course, like I said, were cut from scraps. And the die cuts are Pink Fresh Studio Noteworthy, as well as the puffy stickers are from there too. And I do not use quite as much embellishments on this layout, just a little bit. Because this is the 8th layout, and I'm low on die cuts, but have plenty of the stickers and frames, by the way, which I used a lot of the frames on my last layout that I've done. I'm going to go get some water. And I use those chipboard flyers, which are Pink Fresh Studio, My Favorite Story, from a past kit, which is, I want to say January. I'm just getting some water. And those are the frames, I think, from My Favorite Story. And there's those stickers. I'm like, thought about using some of those strips, but I don't. And then Thankful is American Crafts Hello Thickers. And then 4 is Pink Fresh Studio Super Cool. And then I use the chipboard flare that it says you. So it's Thankful 4 and then you. It's like really patent. I do appreciate y'all's patience. And then that completes my layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those.